Hi, I'm Bobby. This is my web technology second experiment. Here I have to create a web page like this. This is my first web page and this is my second page like this. The code is here. Here we have introduced a table. Inside this table, TRTD tags are there. We have discussed it. I explained this in the first section itself. TRTD tags. This TR first row is this one, the welcome and the Olympic symbol. So this is the first row of this table. We have divided this web pages into rows, and inside that table, first 40% width and 10% I have introduced the image tag. This is the 40% gap and 10% image tag and 10% text welcome, and other 40% is just the space. And likewise here I have introduced another row in which I have put a link there, link 1, link 2 and link 3. Those 3 are aligned in center. For that we have used this align equal to center. And at last the search box is of input type and name is search box, and placeholder is search. Placeholder means inside the search box whatever you have to display, that should be typed inside the placeholder. Here we can see that search, and this is the link 1, link 2, link 3. They are aligned in center. And cell padding means space between the cell and the cell content, that is cell padding. And video, I have inserted a video here, video with this 100%, height is 70%, and source in the directory I have put the video, so just I copied that name and put it here. Video type is video mp4. We have to close the video tag. This is the video I have inserted here. And after that video, right side to the video, I have inserted some paragraph that is inside the paragraph tag with this 50%, and down the paragraph tag I have inserted audio controls. Loop is something like that. If we play the audio, if we give loop, the audio will be repeated in a loop wise format. In this video I did not give the loop, so the video won't play after once it's played. So here is the audio I have inserted, and in the last row of this table means the web page, I have inserted here also cell padding is 10%, and here I have inserted form action equal to this thing is like if we click submit here, it will redirect me to the another web page. I'll show you that. And inside this I inserted field set. Inside the field set, legend I have inserted. Legend means nothing. This is the legend. Inside a box some form has been created, that's the legend. And inside the legend, to give username, the tag is a label. Label is the tag to insert some username, password like that inside a legend. And placeholder username, placeholder is it will hold that particular place like this, username, password. And at last submit is of type input type submit, value you submit. And in the last table at the center, some contact contact us, address line 1 2 3, and mail ID. href is for the link. Then an iframe is a thing to introduce some some other web page into my web page, to transfer something to other web page from my web page. For that, iframe is used. Here I transferred this Google Maps link. Because of some network problem, it's not loading here, but I introduced it here. And that's all about this web page. And the other one is, I told you, if we give the submit, it will redirect me to the other website. I give submit, it redirects me to the other thing. Yeah, here is the other web page, and the coding for that is here. Here inside the field set, legend, personal details, we are discussing this before. Yeah, here inside this legend, personal details, and inside the personal details, first name. Yeah, first name is inside given inside the label, and input type is text, placeholder into your first name. These are the things we know already. And middle name, last name, date of birth. Date of birth type is date, so it can display other format. And age in years, age is a number, so type is number. Minimum age is 18, maximum age is 30, so I give minimum and maximum. Placeholder. And gender is a checkbox. Yeah, checkbox is a checkbox. And first checkbox is, it's a radio type. It's a radio button. Radio button is inside this only one can be selected, that's a radio button. And name is gender, value is male. I will give checked here. If I give checked here, defaultly male will be checked in there. Yeah, like this. And this 20 out of 100% is a meter tag. Yeah, here is the meter tag. Value is 20, minimum 0, maximum 100. This is a meter tag. Likewise, another one legend I have created. Inside in this legend, address, text area, row 4, column 50 is 2. Yeah, address is a big data, so I give this a big box here. And label, city, town, it's a text, just input type equal to text. And state is also a text. And zip code is a number. This is, I have introduced a pattern here. Pattern means 0 to 9 numbers in 6 digits, only 6 numbers or 6 digits. We have to insert that like this, because a pin code a zip code is only a 6-digit number. So, and a meter here is 40. Likewise, contact information is also a legend. Inside this, telephone number is 10, so we have given like this. We have to enter the telephone number like in this format, so I have given in this format. And email type is it's a email, so type is also a email. And website is a URL, so type is equal to URL. Likewise, here legend, table border 1, it's a table here. Yeah, this is the table. We have seen this like this in first and before experiment itself. So this is a table here. Data is qualification board, these are the datas. And input is the checkbox. Checkbox means, yeah, here this is a checkbox. 10th, 11th, BTech, MTech, this is a checkbox. And these are inside the select tag. Yeah, inside the select tag, option value is equal to choose. In India, USA, UK, Paris, Canada. These are the select inside the select tag. Likewise, for every row we have give data here. For every row we have give data there. Choose if we can choose what we need here. And at last here also we have used the meter tag. Up to this 80% of the web page is completed. That's like 80% of the fill-ups is completed. So we have gave meter tag, here 80%. And at last attach this is a file type is this is a file type. This is a checkbox here, you can see that. This is a file type, and the other one is checkbox. I filled all the details that's inside the checkbox. And at last another one meter, that is 100% web page is filled like that. So this is my second experiment. This is the web page I instructed to create. So this is my second experiment. Thank you.